In this video, we'll be learning how to assemble and use your Advantage 2 and 4. Now let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have an upright, a left and right prong, and a fit kit. Now take the riser and place it over the toe ball. Make sure the base of the riser rests on the tow bar tongue. Now take the provided Allen key and cap screws from the fit kit. Take the cap screws and wind them into the housing by hand until you feel resistance. The cap screws should be directed down towards the vehicle. Take the Allen key and tighten those cap screws until you can't tighten any further. Make sure they are firmly tightened. Now take the left-hand prong and slide it into position. Make sure the locking button has clicked into place. Now take the right-hand prong and place it into position. Make sure the locking button has clipped into place. Try moving the rack from side to side and make sure it is secure. Try tightening the cap screws if need be. When loading bikes onto the rack, secure them in place with the provided bungee cords. Gently thread the bike frame onto the two prongs. Take a bungee cord, loop it under the prong behind the top tube of the bike. Bring both ends of the bungee over the bike frame and back under the prong. Pull the cord tight and while under tension, clip it into place. Take a second bungee cord and secure the bike frame to the second prong. Once more, ensure that the cord is pulled tight and clipped into place. When loading a second bike, ensure the bikes are top to tail for optimum spacing. Use two more bungee cords to secure the second bikes to the prong. Ensure that one bungee cord is used for each prong. For the Advantage 2, the fit kit will include 4 bungees. For the Advantage 4, the fit kit will include 8 bungees. When it comes to storing the rack, you can store the prongs in a downwards position. Simply depress the button and make sure it once again locks back into place. When removing the rack from a vehicle, take the provided Allen key and back off the bolt tension. Once you've removed some of the bolt tension, you can then undo the cap screws using your hand. Do not undo the cap screws the whole way and allow them to stay stored inside of the rack.